Either if you want to install WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then here's how to do it. First, you have to go to Play Store. Then from here, you have to tap on the search icon and search for WhatsApp. And then here you will find WhatsApp application. Then you can simply tap on install button here to install WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra device. Now it has just installed. Now you can tap on open, or you can find it in your app section. In your app section, you'll find the WhatsApp application icon. Tap on it, and then you can set up WhatsApp according to your needs. Select the language first, then tap on this arrow icon, then agree and continue with this terms and policy of your this WhatsApp. Then you have to allow, and then you have to enter the number that you have. Enter your country. Here you can select your country from, and then enter your number with your country code. Then you will get to your WhatsApp account, and if you don't have it, you can do the same step. You just need to enter your number. Then they will ask you to open a new account on WhatsApp. Then you have to enter your account name, your first name, your last name, and your birth date, and you can also add a picture on your WhatsApp account. That's how you can install WhatsApp on your S25 Ultra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.